This is your room.
Yeah, sure, Doc. But I don't want a room. I just want a telephone.
Rest first. Telephone tomorrow. Rest is good for the blood.
Well, I am a little fatty, dude.
Goodbye, little friend. I mean, good night. Asleep yet?
Nope.
Well, ring if you need anything. Up cyanide or like that.
Same old problem. I just can't sleep in a strange bed no matter how nice the place is. Hey, that's what I need. Something to read. Magic words and phrases. Sounds interesting. Magic can be performed either by potions or by the use of magic words and phrases. Among the most powerful of these is the word abacadabra. Yeah, oh sure it is. Sick humor. It is to laugh. Magic words. Golly, what big mosquitoes they do have around here. Hold still, you little devil.